Good equipment deals out here in Lufkin, Texas. We've got a 2021 model KTM Enduro 690 autocross type bike here. Really nice unit. It's got like 1,500 total miles since new. Guy bought it brand new from a dealership. He was a pilot of some sort, and then our consignor here bought it off the showroom floor. He rode it one time to go out with his friends, and I think he rode it a total of 35 minutes, and then he was done. I think 35 miles actually, total of 35 miles, and he was done. So really nice, clean unit. It's you know, there's not really much to say about it. It needs nothing besides a rider. Nice clean Enduro tires, good exhaust. Get a quick little walk around here. Absolutely zero scratches, scuffs. Never been laid down on its side. Always running KTM oils, recommended oils. You know, it's got the Enduro front on it, Enduro lights. Really clean little machine. It's not even ready for its first maintenance yet with 1,500 miles on it. It's a street legal bike. It's got the grip guards. It's got a stabilizer on it. And go ahead and pull the miles here for you. 1,544 miles. Do a quick startup also. Effortlessly starts up. Rally kit on it. Got the halo type lights. Really good tread on the tires. There's still little nipples on the tires. WP forks. Tires barely even worn in yet. We'll get you a quick little video of it. You know, going into gear, going through the gears, and we'll call it good.
That was his fault, not the bike's.
As you can see, the bike runs well, works well. It needs a more experienced rider who's rode more than 20 minutes in the last 5 years to ride on this unit. But it's got a lot of power. I mean, it's ready for someone to go rip. Again, it's only 1,500 miles. Enduro tires. Nice, clean running unit. I stalled it out over there because I hit the kill switch on accident. My mistake, but it's ready to go to work, ladies and gentlemen. Located here in Lufkin, Texas. We can do shipping available for this. Will be shipped right, no scratches. upon getting it packaged up for shipping. But it'd be a nice clean unit for someone to go to work or go ride with, whatever they want to do. If you're interested in this unit, please give us a call, 972-666-9501. Again, it's located out here in Lufkin, Texas. Bid good and bid high on this unit because you won't be disappointed on this one. Thanks very much.